This is the DIY Easel Die set from Spellbinders. There are 3 dies in this set and it creates an easel for your cards or your creations. You can create them out of whatever cardstock you want, and I love the fact that you can do this because then it makes it very easy to customize easels for your creations and even to send with your cards if you choose. You could also stamp and emboss and add pattern and texture to these die cuts before gluing them as well, just to create really unique and interesting easels for your creations. They're very easy to put together. There is a back end that scores and you just glue those 2 pieces together, and then the little strip has 2 ends that score as well. You just use glue to glue them to the front part of the easel. I'm using a liquid glue here with them so I can move them exactly where I want them, and then the glue starts to set fairly quickly. I love the fact that you can create some easy custom easels to go with your cards and creations, and the fact that you can use pattern paper, whatever cardstock you want, and they'd be really easy to fold in half and send with your custom card creation to your family or friend. Fantastic, very simple thing, but I love it.